Hi, welcome back. We're going to just do a quick little tutorial to show you text. All it involves is clicking this tool called the text tool. So when I click it, it automatically creates a text box for me, and I can put the title of the presentation I'm going to make. Let's say I want to do top 10 countries to visit. And then I'm going to write in my opinion by Ms. MacDonald. Okay, I want some of that to be bigger. I want this part to be the biggest, so I'm going to highlight it and just do that text bigger thing. I'm going to have this part be italics, although maybe I can't. Yes, I can right here. And I'll make my name slightly bigger. Over here I can make it a pretty color. I will go blue. I'm going to make the title part maybe orange. I like orange. Now, size is so relative in a head because it zooms in and out and makes it big. So you do want to think about the relationship of sizes to things to each other. But remember that don't spend a lot of time deciding how large your title should be, because when you create a scene for it, a head's going to zoom into the whole scene. And now that I've spoken about scenes, I can let me just make another text box without making a scene. It plopped itself right on my other one, so I'm going to switch to my arrow tool and move it, because I don't like things on top of each other. Now notice that when I first made the text, my workspace narrowed itself down to the whole first text box. The minute I moved this away, my workspace got bigger again. Let me add another text box. When I use the arrow tool and move this to the right, my workspace gets bigger yet again. So everything is so flexible in a head that sometimes it's a little bit confusing. Let me just put the names of a couple countries in here. So let's say, and I double click to get back in there, I'm going to say 10. A really nice country to visit is France. 9. A really nice country to visit is the Netherlands. It's probably clear to you that I haven't planned out this ahead slide. This ahead space, but that's something you're going to want to do before you touch ahead. You're going to want to make sure you know what each scene within your space is going to be. I'm doing this off the top of my head because I just want to focus on showing you how to use the tool. So, 2 new text boxes. If I want to make the text smaller, I can make it minuscule if I want to, because you're going to see once you create the scenes, it zooms in according to the size of according to the outline of your scene. I'm going to make the Netherlands, I guess they probably would like orange too. And I'm going to make this text blue. Okay, so I get different texts. I'm not going to make scenes yet because I'm going to put pictures with these. So I'll stop there just to reinforce that all I've done in this small tutorial was to click the text box when I wanted text. I can use the arrow tool to move it around. If I move it around outside of this space, my space gets bigger to accommodate it. When I double click on the text, it allows me to edit it, and I can keep adding countries or whatever text content I need to add. So I'll be back with more about adding other visual elements, and I'll show you how to do the scenery later. Thank you for coming.